Low flying. By flying close to the ground, you will create similar versions to long dolly shots, and then when you lift it up, it can be combined with what's a crane shot. Most of these shots should be waist high to eye level when you first get started. It's good practice to start slow and then get comfortable with the shot. Try to remove the risk of accidentally flying downward. The closer to the ground, the faster your drone will appear to be flying. This is also a shot where you can incorporate camera tilting movements.